Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Queen. I'm a fashion designer and I have lots of helpful techniques on sewing that I'd like to share with you. This is my first video on YouTube and I'd like you guys to please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, as I'll be posting video weekly on how to draft, cut and sew. So stay tuned. The Rivet machine, and it has four functions, which is making of cover button, a price button, pair fixing and creating an eyelet to a dress. So today's video will be focused on just creating an eyelet and pair fixing to a dress. To use this machine, you add a pressure to the handle to create either of those functions. So for each of the function comes with a dies, and here's the dies for the cover button. It has 4 sizes. So I'm keeping it aside as I'm not working on it now. And here is the dies for the pair fixing. It has 4 different sizes of dies with a rubber tube which holds the pair from falling off. And here is a bottom base dies. You put it in the hole here and you screw the bolt to secure it. Once it's tight and not shaking, okay, then you're good to go. So the size of the pair you want to use will determine the size of the dies. So for each of the pair, you put it in the rubber base tube and fix it to the hole at the top here. You can remove your pair and fix it, and after that you fix in the pair. Okay, the next thing to do is to take your hook. It comes in just one size, so small, with a sharp end facing up. I don't know if you can see it. You put it in the bottom base dies. Make sure the right side is facing up, the side with the hook. Then you take your fabric and place it like so to the machine and give it a light press. Just a light press is okay. Okay, let's see the outcome. As you can see, it's fixed. I don't know if you can see the bottom here. The end of the fabric is so neat, and it has stick to the dress. It can hardly fall off this way. Okay, so let's try another one. Let's try to make another one. So I'm using another size of bead this time around, a bigger size. So I'll be taking the hook and fix it in the bottom base dies. Then you screw the other side of the dies. You scroll it out since you're changing it, and take the right size of dies and pair. Okay, fix it this way. It's not falling off. Okay, we're good to go. Screw it up here. Once it's tight, you can fix your fabric to the machine and then give it another light press. Make sure you're fixing it well, the right side of the fabric facing up. Okay, let's see what we have. It has stick to the dress and it's looking nice. So it's different sizes. We have the small and the big one. You can go ahead to create as many sizes as you want depending on the design you have in mind. Just keep changing the dies and use the right size of the bead for it, and you're good to go. So now we're taking it out as we're done with the creation of pair fixing. So you screw it out and fix the next die that you'll be working with. Okay, so here is the eyelet dies. It has 2 pieces, the upper dies and the bottom dies. And this is the price button dies. It also has 2 pieces, the upper and the bottom base dies. So I'll be working with the eyelet dies. So you release the bolt, the screw, so the dies can go into the hole, and screw it back to tighten it. Okay, I think I'm done, and that is the upper base dye. But you see, there is a problem. It's not sitting down to my machine properly. I don't know why, but actually that's what I got from the market. Okay, what I did was to remove it since it's not sitting properly to my machine, and I replaced it with the default dyes that came with my Rivet machine. Since it's having the same structure, same shape, but just in sizes, it's smaller in sizes to the one that I got in the market. That's the bottom base dyes. So I decided to use the one that comes as a default to my machine and use the upper dyes that I got from the market. Okay, so I'm good to go. It is well screwed. So what I did next was to take my fabric. I give it a hole. I used my scissors to create the hole. You can see the hole is not too big, it's just small. Just create a small hole there that your eyelet can actually pass through, and make sure that the hole setting is actually in lines. Okay, so I fixed it to my fabric and it's looking like this. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. So, and the eyelet has a cover. It's so small like that, as you can see, a flat kind of cover like that. So you place it this way, and once you're done, you take it to the machine and you press it. Make sure this is sitting well as you will like it. I'm trying to show you here. Okay, it is set, so I press it, but this time around the press I actually give it is not that light. You have to use some force to it. Okay, this is what we are having. It's looking nice, it's neat, and it's just what I want. So beautiful. Okay, so it has the front part and the back part, the one you want to show out, and the back. Okay, now so I'll be fixing another one. Make sure the front, you're fixing the eyelet from the front of your fabric like so. Okay, and after you have covered it, I'm going to press it. Okay, I think it's sitting well. Okay, so I'm going to give it a press. I'm adding a force to it so that it can keep very well to my fabric. Okay, that's it. It's looking nice. So that is your highlights on your dress. So you can go on and on to create as many as you want to your dress. Okay guys, so you see it's looking nice. So nice, and it has stick to my fabric. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you have gained something. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you.